We get it. Meeting the needs of all your students has never been an easy job. Now that you have students both in your classroom and learning from home, it's a bigger struggle than ever to keep them engaged. Instead of just surviving, we have the tools to help teachers thrive in a hybrid learning environment. Working with our trusted technology partners, Encore has created an innovative hybrid classroom kit. This custom solution allows educators to teach both in-person and remote students from the convenience of their classroom with minimal, if any, adjustments to their teaching style. Our hybrid classroom kit includes Promethean's active panel, the gold standard of interactive classroom displays, and Poly's USB studio camera. Using the active panel, teachers can create slides ahead of class, write notes on the fly, and share video with ease. Anti-glare and high-contrast display make this panel a great addition to any classroom. With Promethean's Screen Share app, or your preferred video conferencing platform, students at home can see all instruction clearly and can even present their own screen to the classroom. The Poly USB Studio camera, an all-in-one video and audio system that captures teaching as it happens, rounds out the custom kit. Poly's patented noise block AI technology intelligently tunes out distracting noises, and its acoustic fencing ensures only voices within a defined space are heard. Group framing and presenter tracking zoom in on where the action is happening in front of the classroom, so students at home feel like they're sitting front row. Setup is simple. Just plug and play. Plug in the Promethean active panel to a power outlet and connect the Poly camera to your personal computer. Now open your preferred conferencing app to begin. That's right, there's no extra software to install. Switch seamlessly between broadcasting your classroom video feed and your panel screen with just a couple of clicks. Choosing the right educational technology to keep students engaged in a variety of circumstances can be a challenge. Our hybrid classroom solution makes it easy. Email us today to get started.